we going, Mum? We're going back to Mum's old stomping ground. Mum and Dad used to live in London. Fun fact. We made it! Around the train.
West London town.
It's like being right at home.
Yeah.
Oh, Shake Shack! There it is! There it phone call. I said to Mum, where's Big Ben? She was like, Rachel, it's right there. It's under construction.
What is live?
We have the Houses of Parliament. Ooh. Also under construction. Like, seriously. That's why we didn't see it, Mum.
Yeah. That balcony up there, that's where they all stand out when there's anything fancy going on.
Oh really? Oh it is. Oh, it's coming out even harder. Oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah, I think we should find somewhere to
Yeah. We're about to do this. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I love you.
In case the chain snap.
Mom,
I'd
don't.
just like to say thanks everybody for being so good, and it was nice knowing you see us on the other side.
Oh.
That lovely seat area there.
Oh. Oh. It's only gonna be a minute. It's only gonna be a minute. Don't worry. Don't worry. We're okay. Oh my god, we're totally fine. We're totally okay. Oh, it looks really pretty. Oh god, the wind. Oh god, the wind. Oh god. Oh, I think, are we getting lower? I think we're getting lower.
We're getting lower, yeah.
I think we're getting lower. Are we? Oh god, I don't know. I want it to stop.
It's raining again.
Oh, okay, I feel like I can relax now.
That was a bit nervy now, I have to
Oh
say.
yeah, that was really nervy.
Oh, not on the ground, yeah?
Yeah, but at least if we drop, it's okay now. Just had our breakfast at Bill's.
And it was divine.
Divine. And now we're gonna go to Harry Potter. Harry Potter. We're on the bus now.
We're on the Harry Potter bus.
We were so afraid there for a while. We didn't think the train was
Didn't think we'd make it in time.
Why does this always happen to me? Like, I think whoever I'm with, just I'm in a bad situation. But we made it. That's it. Where's this? You have the big bus. Oh my god, look at how cute. Oh my god. The picture of Dudley. That's gas. So many.
Yeah, there. Certain spot. You have to stand in a certain spot. I'll try.
Oh my god, as soon as you walked onto it. Oh my god, what? Are you like...
Just stand in the centre. Doesn't want you.
It's our last day in London. Oh, it's a terrible accent. London.
Good old London town.
You can't even really see me because of this hat. That's it. Back to Bill's because we just liked it so much yesterday. And then we're gonna hit up Camden Market with my friend Stephen. Pancakes and toast. And Mom got it. Are we happy?
We are very happy.
We're with Stephen, our tour guide for the day. I wasn't aware of that one there. Steve, oh well, you made a funny one there. Ah, cute.
Chin chin round.
Oh, Mom, look at you getting the hang of things. Woo. We went shopping today and I got this cute little number in Urban Outfitters. Don't know what I'm going to wear it with, but it's okay. I've been wanting one of these for a while. The little Dickies tees. So I got one. Had to get two. My favorite concealer. Only £4 each. Obsessed.